What if you could copy a pro trader and earn passively, starting today? Right now, I'm using PU Prime copy trading and I don't have to trade manually anymore. Stay until the end. I've got a free gift waiting for those who act fast. So yeah, keep listening. PU Prime's copy trading lets you follow verified successful traders, and your account copies every trade they take. It's 100% automated. You pick your trader, set your risk, and the system does the rest. Let me show you some real data. Millionaire FX1 has over 11,000 copiers and a 95.16% win rate. Super Profit, XAU-USD. 6 has earned a 70,000% return in 3 months. Even low-risk traders are pulling in 4,000 to 5,000% returns. This isn't demo hype. These are live stats tracked inside the PU Prime app. You don't need to know anything about charts. You don't need a strategy. Just pick a top trader, decide how much to copy with, and let the system go to work. It's ideal for beginners, passive investors, or people who just want results, not confusion. You're fully in control. Choose from thousands of providers, see all their stats and performance. You can stop copying anytime, use it on your phone or PC. Plus, PU Prime uses real-time tracking, fair profit sharing, and secure risk management tools. Starting is simple. Open your account using the link below, deposit, pick your trader and copy. And if you act today, you'll get a free profitable EA as a bonus. Just send me your deposit confirmation to contact@askerfinance.com. And if you deposit over $1,000, I'll give you a one-on-one call to show you exactly how I trade myself. Copy trading is exploding in 2025, but only a few platforms actually deliver real results. I've tested this one personally, and the numbers speak for themselves. Copy real pros, earn while learning, get a bonus EA, and even a personal call from me. Hit the link below, make your deposit, and start copying today. Let's grow your account the smart way.